Welcome to this Martin & Co video tour of this beautifully presented 2 double bedroom home situated within the heart of Westbury. The property comes to the market in immaculate condition and offers spacious living accommodation throughout, including a good sized living room, modern kitchen dining room, 2 good sized double bedrooms, modern bathroom and a converted loft to make a walk-in wardrobe/dressing room. Externally you have an enclosed rear garden with an outbuilding and power and lighting, and to the front, driveway parking for 2 vehicles. Let's go and have a look around together today. I hope you've enjoyed looking around this fantastic home. For more information or to book a viewing, please call us today.